Hello, I'm Carrie from Dongguan Shengen Limited Company. Today we will explore the process of creating countersinks in your designs, a crucial step in precision manufacturing. Let's go. Countersink is a tool or process used to create a chemical recess on a workpiece surface. This design accommodates the head of a cruise or boat, allowing it to sit flush with or slightly below the surface of the workpiece, ensuring a smooth surface and a tight connection. Begin by selecting the suitable material. We recommend a minimum thickness of 0.05 inches for electric countersinking to ensure structural integrity. In your design software, outlines where you want the countersink. Precision here is critical. Choose or cut a conical hole where you are marked. The angles and the depth depend on the screw type and the design smoothness. The next step is to set up the parameters. Choose the correct angles for your countersinks based on the screw head. Joint angles including 1290 and 100 degrees. Ensure the dip allows the screw head to sit flush without penetrating too deeply. Use the software to refine the dimensions of your countersink. Pay close attention to the diameters and depth to match the specifications of your screws. Simulate if your software permits to see how the screw fits into the countersink. Make adjustments as needed. Review your design for potential interference with other components. Ensure there's enough coherence around the countersinks for the optimum functionality. Shorter materials may require slightly larger countersinks to accommodate displacements. Use a countersink fit compatible with your materials to prevent damage. Always follow safety protocols when handling tools and machinery. That's all for today's videos. We hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to these channels for more sheet metal fabrication videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the following video.